Snakes, the evolutionary weapon that nature perfected millions of years ago. This planet was ruled by creatures we can barely imagine. Before cities, before weapons, before medicine, there was one enemy humans were never built to defeat. Not because it was big, not because it was loud, but because it was invisible, silent, and already waiting. This is not the story of a monster. This is the story of a design that took over 100 million years to perfect. A body without legs, a mouth that dislocates reality, eyes that can see heat, teeth that act like hypodermic needles, and venom, not as a toxin, but as an evolved chemical weapon. This is not a creature built by accident. This is evolution's masterpiece. This is the snake. First chapter. The ancient snake that walked. Snakes did not begin as snakes. They were once lizards. They had legs, they had hips, they had bones like any other land animal. Fossils prove this. Creatures like Najash and Tetrapodopus show clear hind limbs. But evolution removed them. Not suddenly, not violently, slowly, and deliberately. Over millions of years, legs became smaller, hips vanished, spines elongated, muscles changed. Why? Because legs made noise. Because limbs limited movement underground. Because a body without bones at the edge could enter holes no predator could follow. Snakes did not lose legs. They traded them for silence, for stealth, for invisibility. Evolution didn't make snakes weaker. It made them untouchable. The body built to disappear, a snake does not move. It flows. Every muscle is designed for one purpose: forward motion without detection. Their scales are shaped to grip micro-textures in soil and stone. Each rib acts like a separate leg. One by one, hundreds of ribs pull the body forward silently. A snake can climb vertical walls, swim open ocean, move through sand, enter cracks as thin as a coin. No human body was ever designed to fight something that does not announce itself. You don't hear a snake. You don't feel a snake. You only feel the result. The human jaw opens downward. A snake's skull comes apart, not in one place, in more than 10 separate joints. Each half of the jaw moves independently. Ligaments stretch like living rubber bands. The mouth does not open. It becomes a tunnel. A snake does not chew. It walks its mouth over the body of its prey, rib by rib, tooth by tooth, muscle by muscle. Inside its throat, nothing pushes food down. Gravity does nothing. The snake pulls prey into itself alive. You don't get eaten. You get swallowed into darkness. Venom at nature's chemical warfare. Lab venom is not poison. Poison is passive. Venom is injected. Venom is deliberate. And venom is intelligent. There are three main venom classes. Neurotoxins stop the brain. These do not kill the body. They shut down the messages. Breathing stops. Heart rhythm fails. The body becomes a living statue, conscious but unable to move. Turn blood into weapon. These destroy red blood cells. They cause internal bleeding. Organs drown from the inside. Blood no longer clots. Victims bleed through intact skin. Cytotoxins rot the flesh. These eat tissue alive. Muscle dissolves. Skin separates. Flesh collapses. Cells literally fall apart. Then there is something even worse. Mixed venom designed to paralyze, dissolve, stop circulation, destroy organs simultaneously. Venom is not random. It is evolution's laboratory. Each snake species has custom venom designed for its prey. Humans are not the target. We are collateral damage. Heat vision, hunting in total darkness. Some snakes don't see shapes. They see temperature. Every living creature glows to them. Your body shines like fire. In complete darkness, a snake doesn't guess. It knows. Your heartbeat, your breathing, your warmth are visible. You can hide from eyes. You cannot hide from heat. How boas and pythons really kill a myth says they crush bones. That's wrong. They collapse circulation. Each coil increases blood pressure. The heart cannot pump. The brain blacks out. Death arrives quietly, not by force, by suffocation from the inside. Most victims lose consciousness in seconds. A war humans were never built for no claws, no venom, no night vision, no armoring skin. Humans evolved fragile. We survived snakes only by intelligence, fire, medicine, fear. Fear teaches distance. Fear teaches avoidance. Fear kept you alive long before science. The brain recognizes snake patterns faster than any other animal. Your fear is not learned. It is inherited. They survived. Asteroid impact, ice ages, volcanic winters, continent movement, extinction events. Why? Because they need little. They move silently. They eat rarely. They hibernate. They adapt. They wait. You are afraid of snakes because nature programmed you to be. Not by culture, by survival. Snakes are not evil. They are not cruel. They are not monsters. They are perfect. And perfection is terrifying because something perfect never needs to miss. If you want real science, real survival, real history, subscribe because nature doesn't need horror movies. It made its own.